Insta360 Snap connects directly to your phone, allowing real-time preview while using the rear camera, so there's no more blind shooting. After opening the box, you'll find the following. Get started in 3 easy steps. 1. If you're using an iPhone, go to Settings, Accessibility, and turn on Zoom. When you do this, your screen might zoom in. Just tap twice on the screen with 3 fingers to go back to normal. Android users can skip this step. 2. Attach the Insta360 Snap Selfie Screen to the back of your phone. Flip the protective cover over your phone screen to prevent accidental touches. Connect with a USB-C cable, and the selfie screen will power on automatically. If your phone or case doesn't support magnetic attachment, use the magnetic ring included in the box. Android users, if a cast screen prompt appears, tap Allow. 3. Open the camera app on your phone. Press the mirror button on the side to adjust screen mirroring for a better preview. During shooting, keep your fingers within the anti-touch area to avoid touching the phone screen. Long press the mirror button to switch to full screen preview. This makes it easier to change settings or browse your album. Short press the power button to turn the selfie screen on or off at any time. The selfie screen with light supports the following controls. Press the bottom brightness button to turn on the fill light. Press again to cycle through 5 brightness levels. Long press for 3 seconds to turn it off. Press the color temperature button to switch between cool, warm, and natural light modes. For Oppo, Samsung, OnePlus, Google, and iPhone users, for the best experience when shooting in landscape mode, update your device to the latest firmware from our official website. First, go to the Download Center and download the Selfie Screen Update tool, along with the firmware file to your computer. Then, connect the Selfie Screen data cable to your computer. Finally, open the Update tool, select the firmware file, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the upgrade.